Sabi ng kasabihan, don't judge the book by its cover. Totoo nga naman, huwag mo tingnan yung katabi mo at sabihin, ibang-iba naman sa akin yan. Mukha pa lang parang bini yan pupunta ng church. Siguradong tatanggi yan pag in-invite ko. We need to see others as Christ saved them, with a holy compassion for the lost. Alam mo, lahat naman tayo kailangan si Lord, kahit ano pang itsura at pananamit. As Christians, we are responsible to reach out to those around us. Kailangan lang natin magbukas ng mata. Araw-araw may magbubukas na panahon. Huwag ka na mahiya.
Bro, may astig kami ginagawa sa church eh. Tara, sama ka.